So this is my newest tool that I purchased for the garden. I've talked to you guys about my wheelbarrow, and you know, a lot of times in Logic it is safer to push rather than pull, but with this Gorilla Cart it puts a lot less strain on me than my wheelbarrow does, because again, if your wheelbarrow tire keeps going low, even though you're pushing with way more effort than you would be if you were pulling the Gorilla Cart. And then once I get to my destination, instead of having to lift everything off of the cart, I just do the handle here and dump everything off of the cart. So back to the yard work, and of course you guys will see the finished product. So guys, I am almost done. As you can see, I got my cypress blend mulch, put down the flower bed over here. I got it in the walkway here. I got it in this flower bed over here. I got it where we're going to enter into this flower bed area here. I also purchased some little string lights that are there. I got the grass cut in the front, the back, and the side of the yard. We got our combo pear tree mulched in. We have our pineapple pear tree mulched in. Got so many different things cleaned up and straightened up. If you look over here, I started adding some string lights to the fence area, and they are solar string lights. So I'll come back with a picture showing what those look like once they are lit up. My front yard has been mulched in very well, looking very nice. I've been straightening up this area, so I'm gonna come through. I have to fix the fabric. I have to fill some of the containers, but the garden area, not so much worried about that. I got everything that I needed to do in the yard done today. That was the biggest thing for me, was working on the yard. As you can see, I did weed eat in here. You see I have my tomatoes planted and they're doing pretty good. Over here, that corn that I planted is the mini corn. I companion planted that with my North Georgia Candy Roaster squash. So that's what's going to be in this bed. And the reason why I did it this way is so that this can grow up and these can grow out. I did a little more weed eating in here so that I can come tomorrow and put down the fabric. Sweet potato slips are doing pretty good after the cool weather. A mound there and a mound there. I did the Moon and Stars watermelon there, and I did the mini watermelon there. And this is a sunflower. So I got a lot of work done today. And of course, I will have the pictures to show you guys. So the last thing that I'm finishing up is I'm going to put a little mulch around this flower area, and I'll finish putting the mulch here.